a failure to feed. That's a 1.4 second. And let's check. Nice. Okay. And let's check.
Okay, so type 1. Trigger pull, dead trigger, slap, rack, in. Did it rack? It did.
And let's check. Well, we're going to do these 1 pound apiece. Point in. Shooter ready? 1.6 seconds. Type 2 malfunction. Stand by. And let's check. Okay.
And that is a pull the trigger, see it, that you're brass high, slap the magazine in, flip it, eject it, and you're back on trigger, back on point, back on target, back on trigger. And we are
Flip it to the side. Okay. Set up a type 3 malfunction.
set that up. You're completely empty, there's nothing in there. Drop a shell and round, drop a round right in there. Cartridge. It rattles around on there a little bit. Then we ease that forward just a little bit. That's as far as it's going to go. It's not going to go any
It's going to be a 6 seconds. Type 3 malfunction. Point in. Shooter ready? Stand by. Tons of time to spare. Let's go. Very good. You did a good job.
type 3 malfunction. You are on trigger, you pull it, nothing happens.
Dead trigger.
Dead trigger. Step off the line. As you're looking to see what's going on, you feel for a magazine. Feel for a magazine. Nothing there. We want to lock back your slide. We want to eject. Now here you can either drop it to the ground if you know you've got another one going, or you retain it by putting it in your fingers like that. Now, next step is rack, rack, rack. You want to make sure there's no rounds in there anymore. You index your retained magazine or from your holster. You insert it in there, slap it up in there, rack it, point back in. And if we did it correctly, we've got a round in there.